Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. All right, in this video, we're just going to be going over basically the compensation plan and how to pay for a product. This is something I have in a lot of my review videos, but I am just condensing it down into a pretty short video right here. Now, just to start off, I just wanted to show you what you're going to get when you become a member of my team. And you can give these pages out to your team as well. So you're going to get a page that looks just like this, and what's going to happen is you can use this in your marketing just to show people what's possible with Exitus Elite. Here are some examples of some $2,000 and $1,000 commissions here. So it's just to give people an idea of the potential of what you can make in this business. If you're willing to work, if you're willing to do whatever it takes to learn from the training that we give out to you, to the products themselves. The products in Exitus Elite are all training products. So it's totally up to you whether your business is going to be a success or a failure. So you're going to get this page right here, and you can use this stuff in your marketing just to show people what's possible in this business. Never say that these are actually your commissions, because that's just dishonest. But you can give them an idea of what we can do. Because in Exitus Elite, we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions. So if you want to use Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, PayPal, whatever it is, Venmo, whatever it is that you want to use to get paid by, that's where the instant commissions come in. So if you scroll all the way up to the top of this page, we also give you different links on places that you can post ads on. And we also give you all the headlines to the ads and the ad bodies, and this whole page is filled with all kinds of ad copy that you can use to promote Exitus Elite. Wow, these are detailed ad suggestions. And it just keeps going down. We have really good talking points. We get paid immediately. We get to pick how we want to get paid. And we always make 100% commissions. We're literally making more 1,000 and 2,000 days than $100 days in this business. No monthly fees, no yearly fees. So basically, this is all here for that you can use in your marketing. Craigslist scripts, Facebook scripts. And it just keeps going down all the way down here. So the other page I want to show you real quick is the team bonus training. This is the 3 generations bonus training. I teamed up with a very good friend of mine who has been in Exitus Elite for over 7 years. All this training is what he does on a regular basis on how he makes $1,000 commissions, $2,000 commissions, multiple commissions a month. And I do pretty much exactly what he does too. So I really didn't have to put any of my own training because he had already put this together. And he said that I could use this to give out to my team as well. And this entire page here is filled with all kinds of videos here. So Exitus Elite, we have 5 product levels. I recommend you come in at the very least at the G1000 or even 2000 if you can. If you can't, obviously I understand. But come in as high as you can possibly afford. Because when I came in here at the G1000, I unlocked all these product levels at no extra cost, including the 100, the 250, and the $500 commissions that I can make off of these products, and all of the training that's inside all these products as well. Now, Exitus Elite has a 1-up compensation plan. So at your highest level, you pass up your first commission sale up to your sponsor. So when I made my first G1000 sale, I had to pass up that first commission up to my sponsor. So that's why it says right here, G1000 and qualified. Now, the cool thing about Exitus Elite is, like I said before, I unlocked all these at no extra cost. So while I was waiting for that $1,000 commission, I could also still make unlimited $100, $250, and $500 because when those unlocked for me, that made I was not only unlocked for me, but I was also qualified at these levels. So you can make unlimited amount of all these commissions while you're waiting for your highest product level commissions to get your first one. So what does that mean? We get pass up commissions. So when your team is building their team, you are getting their first commissions. And once you are qualified, all those commissions at that level are all yours from moving forward. And then your team is going to start passing up commissions up to you as well. So let's say you came in here at G500, but you make a G1, but you make your first G500 sale. So what's going to happen is that first sale is going to get qualified to me because I'm already qualified as G100 level. So I'm making passive commissions from all these different levels as I build my team up. And the same would go if they were at the G1000 as well. So another way we can make money in Exitus Elite is these are override commissions. So what that means is, let's say you're down here at the G100, but you make a G1000 sale. So somebody comes through your marketing and says, I really want to make these $1,000 commissions. So what's going to happen is you're always going to make the commission that you are qualified for. So if you're here at the G100, that $100 is yours, and then the remaining commission that's left over is going to get passed up to me. So I get $900, you get $100. So that's why I say come in as high as you can possibly afford, because you want to unlock as much profit as you can in your business. So the reasons why I came in at the G1000 is I wanted to be as close to all in as possible. When I came in, the G2000 was just being implemented. So if you upgrade to the next product level in Exitus Elite, you're only going to pay the difference of what you paid in the last product purchase. So let's say I want to upgrade to the G2000, which will happen eventually. What I'm going to do is, when I came in here at the G1000, $299 was the admin fee that goes to Exitus Elite. That's how they make their money. And to pay for the product, I had to pay my sponsor his commission. So let's say I want to upgrade to the G2000. So I'm going to minus $299 off the admin fee that goes to Exitus Elite, and I'm going to minus $1,000 off of the commission that goes to my sponsor. So instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm only coming in at $1,100. So I'm not even paying full retail price for that product. So that's the cool thing about Exitus Elite. It's been running for 9 years. We have a terrific owner who is always trying to put us members first, trying to help us to make more money. And we just came up with the new call center, which can close sales for you. So at the if your lead comes through and they watch the video, the Exitus Elite video, it's going to direct them to a call center number where if they have any questions, they can call that number, and Exitus Elite will answer all the questions for you, do everything possible. And if they make a sale for me, it's going to I'm going to get a commission for doing no work. So when I close my own sales, I get 100% of the commission. If the Exitus Elite call center basically closes the sale, if they can close the sale for me, I get an 80% commission. So it's an 80-20 split. So 20% goes of that commission goes to the person that worked hard to, who did all the work to make that commission sale for you. So you can still make life-changing income even if you're brand new in Exitus Elite, because we have that call center. That is what I'm talking about, Paul Stevenson. That is why I like him. He's been running this business successfully for 9 years. I have absolutely no fear of bringing anyone into this business. Now, when I say fear of bringing anyone into the business, I basically mean I've done other businesses where it's brand new, it's a really good business, and a year goes by and it fails. There's a bad owner. He closes shop, and the business, we lose money. In Exitus Elite never holds our money. We get paid person to person. Like it says right here, to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So let's say 10 years from now, another 10 years from now, Exitus Elite closes their doors, and you've been in here that entire 10 years. You've been paid every single penny that was owed to you, because Exitus Elite never holds our money. So they can't do any shady things and all of a sudden you lose money. I was in an opportunity like that, and I lost a little over $1,000 because the company held the money and they never gave it back to us. They never refunded it. They just ran away with it. That's why I love this business. That's why I love Exitus Elite. And that's why I do all these videos all these years for you. So, how do you pay for the product? So we were on this page right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to pay the admin fee. Every product level has an admin fee. That's how Exitus Elite makes their money. So that money goes to Exitus Elite, that pays for all the new updates that they're implementing. Yes, even over 9 years later, they are still updating this business. So we're getting, the call center was one of those updates that they just released. So the admin fee, that goes to Exitus Elite, and then to pay for the product itself, you have to pay me my commission. So on this page, the page that we were on, you're going to select whatever one you want. If it's the G1000, the G100, the G250, the G500, or even the G2000. So if you do a G2000 sale, that's going to be a split payment. So you're going to be paying me my commission and then $1,000 to my sponsor. So you'd select the one you want, pay the admin fee. So you'd fill out all your information here, click all the agreement boxes right here, and then hit pay admin fee. So that's how you pay for the admin fee. Now, when you log into your back office for the first time, you're going to come with an instruction video that's going to teach you how to get started. If you can watch the video, or you can just click the red button under it. If you X out of this video, just look for the red box on the dashboard page. So this is the dashboard page. These are your menu options. Look for the purchase product highlighted in red. Now you're going to choose the payment. You're going to see all the payment processors that I use to get paid my commissions. You're going to select one of them. Let's just say, for the sake of this video, you hit PayPal. There's going to be instructions showing you how to do it. There's actually, on my account, there's to pay for PayPal, click here, or something like that. It's highlighted in blue. Click on that blue, that blue link, and then you're going to pay me my commission. Then pick your payment, open and follow the directions. If your Exitus Elite page times out, log back into your page. Once again, look for the red box. Complete the payment process. Hit the big green button. Right in the box, I sent payment. So there's going to be a box down here where you're just going to type in, I sent payment. Then what's going to happen, you're going to hit the green button, and then that's going to alert me that I have received a commission. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my back office, and I'm going to activate your account. So, and that is it. Congratulations. We are glad to have you as part of our team. I highly recommend that you go into the Getting Started guide right here in the menu. Paul Stevenson has a big video that explains how to set everything up. Please contact your sponsor, or in this case me, and make sure you join the private Facebook group. If you come in at the G1000 or 2000, I will welcome you into this group right here. You could scroll for days in here, and there's all kinds of training from top marketers in Exitus Elite. I'm in there, my sponsor's in there, my good friend Michael Petty's in there. Everyone is in there, and sometimes we have audio trainings. So that's what I'll welcome you into there if you come in at that level. But you're still going to get the team bonus training I told you at the beginning, and the Mega Swipe file page here with all of the marketing material here. So, do I love Exitus Elite? Yes. I love Exitus Elite not just because it's a life-changing business and it's been running strong for 10 years, but I love it because it's stable. I don't have to have fear anymore of bringing somebody into a business. I believe that Exitus Elite will still be here 5 years from now, or another 10 years from now. So all I have to say about Exitus Elite is that everything in Exitus Elite is pure quality. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any questions for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. That really helps the algorithm and I can reach more people. And everything about Exitus Elite is quality. And you can call me. I'm accessible. You may have seen my number pop up from time to time. All my contact information and the link to join is all in the description below as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next video.